Welcome back, everybody, to another episode of the Cobra Daytona build. On this episode, I'm going to show you how we got this thing in here. So I'm actually going to show this unedited. It took us 18 minutes from the time I had it hanging on the engine stand to the time it was actually on the motor mounts. So I'm pretty much going to show most of it. I think I cut out one little bit, maybe about 3 minutes, but I think the video is going to be about 15 minutes long. So if you don't want to watch it, can't blame you, but I want everyone to see exactly what goes into getting this big lump of aluminum in here. It's a tight fit compared to a 302 or even a 351. I mean, these things are just monstrous motors, but it does fit. As you can see some of the clearances. I mean, you know, look over here. You can see the clearance between the high pressure injector pump and here. There's no room. This thing is tight. So, yeah, so we'll kind of just show you the unedited video. As I said, I'm just going to throw it up on YouTube. So thanks again for watching. Hit subscribe if you want to see more. And looking forward to having you along. Thanks. The tilt to go get the tranny down, get the motor, and then drop the whole thing down. So it's like if we do that and then tie it around here.
You want to use a ratchet on that so you can actually ratchet and have a hole?
You actually go.
You'd actually hold that way, wouldn't it?
Yeah, but you see, you just kind of shut it, and then we can just tie it off.
Well, I mean, if you had the other end of this, the ratchet thing.
Yeah, I don't have that.
Click.
See if you can wrap it around that 3x3, this cross member there. Yeah, that one there. I'll shove it down and see if that'll.
The problem is, as you slide the.
Well, no, keep it steady to somewhat extent because it's all moving with this.
Yeah, that's true.
So
like
if you take
tie it
this
off
and do this,
just tie it off. Yeah.
let me push down again.
You don't have the ratchet, huh?
I don't think so for this.
I had a bunch of these.
How's that?
That's good.
Okay. I'll see you can wrap it around again, tie it off. Okay. That'll get some friction in there. I didn't think you were going to drive that thing over here again.
Oh, why not, you know, it's just gas.
Okay.
Wow, your power.
Transmission past that area, then we're good. So can I go back now?
Yes.
Okay.
At least 6 inches.
Okay.
Yeah, you have to go down if you want to go back anymore.
Okay, which is fine. I can, I'm going to kick this over just to here. Okay, I'm going to come down next. So now I got a couple more inches here. Once we get it.
Okay, you can come back a little bit if you want.
Okay, here we go.
Go down.
Okay.
Go down.
Here we go.
Now you can come back.
Okay.
Go come down.
We are almost clear the oil pan. Then we can drop this quite a bit.
Yeah. Now you can come back a little bit.
Okay.
By about 3 inches. I would give it one more kick. Okay, then come down.
Okay.
Now you can come back now.
Okay.
By about 3 inches. And one more kick maybe. And then come down.
Okay. We got to.
What you're bumping is just that aluminum sheet.
Yeah, I think I got to kick the motor now. I think let me see if I can kick the stand that way now.
Can you come down with the motor?
Yep. Okay, here we go.
Okay. Why don't you take a look at it? It's just going to try to pendulum a little bit.
Yeah, we just got to keep going here. Let me see how tight we are on this.
What do you got in the front? Oh, you can come down then.
Once I clear this, we're
yeah.
golden. We just got to get back just a little bit more. So how much further can I go back? Are we hitting there?
Go back an inch.
Okay, we're almost there. Then we've cleared that thing.
We'll say come down now. You can. Okay, you can come back by about 2 to 3 inches. And
We're almost clear the oil filter, and then we're good.
you can give it one more little kick if you want. Come
Okay,
back.
let me start to drop her down here.
You got plenty of room to come back now.
Okay.
see. I'm gonna run into being too high on this part.
Yeah, so now we really got to start
Down.
down.
Yeah, but you're clear, right?
Yeah, we're pretty good. I think we got to kick it your way a little bit, but let me see if we can drop it down just a hair, and we'll kick it your way. Yeah, it's a little bit bigger lump than that little 302.
It is bulky.
Yeah. Okay. I think we're looking pretty good.
Yeah,
Keep an eye
it's
on
almost,
this sender.
Yeah,
It's almost like we have to go down and then back.
Mm-hmm.
So at some point we're gonna have to get the jack under the rear of that transmission to support it, I believe. You're the expert with these things. You've done this.
Not with this engine. Actually, we had 5 guys at my house when we did this. And there was guys like underneath the car in the transmission tunnel.
Oh, really?
It was like, you know, crawling all over it, like pulling it up and all this stuff.
Yeah.
Anyway.
I think I keep coming down.
Yeah. It's not touching anything.
I can't see that motor mount over there. How close are we getting to that thing?
You're still like 6 inches in front of it and about 3 inches above it, so the motor can come down, but it has to come down lined up so that the bolt of the motor mount fits in that slot.
Yeah, I think now we've got to get the, we've got to stop the angle on the transmission. I think we got to level this thing out because now it's, I think, but don't quote me on that. I'm going to see if I can pull this thing and see what happens here. This could be a bad thing, I don't know. Okay. How's that? Better, worse? Because we're now, the strap is now free.
Okay. So I think you got to come up now a little bit because this motor mount bolt is hitting the standoff. Okay, there you go. Now the motor can come back like 1 inch on this side.
Hit something.
What's the bolt on that side doing? The motor mount.
Okay, so it's got to be, we got to tilt it this way because see it's right up against the motor mount. It's almost like we got to come up a hair. Yeah,
It's got to come up. Okay.
just a little bit, and then I think we'll come back, and then I think we can clear it. We good with that sensor?
Yeah. Yeah. It is.
How's that?
Yeah, the sensor's below the
Oh wait.
standoff.
Okay, now I think we come straight back, and we should be right up in there.
Yeah, just an inch back.
Yep.
It should fall in the slot.
Huh. It's hitting on something. Here, the blanket's all jammed up. You know what I think we have to do? I think we gotta get the transmission up. I think we gotta get this thing a little level now. Let me get this thing here out here. Yeah, this would have been a pain in the butt by myself.
Well, it'll be a centimeter at a time.
Okay. Oh, there we go. How's that?
This one's about to drop in.
It was the transmission, I think, was jammed up over there, so now we might be free over here. This blanket is all like Guys, yeah, let me see, let me get the transmission level. Yes, we just got a little too much angle back into here. Oh shit. This train's got to go up over that X, doesn't it?
Wait a minute. Oh no. It does.
So we need to go forward about 2-3 inches and then all back again, don't we?
Is this thing long or something?
Hell, I don't know.
I guess it is. I can pull up on it.
Okay.
Okay, let me get the wire out of the way. There's a sensor here. Okay, do you have the cross plate that fits
Yeah,
this guy?
I do. I don't know how this thing goes in, so your experience
What
is
we could do is put a strap on it to pull it up. See, I can pull it up. The thing is, you might have to flip it all kinds of ways to get it to actually line up.
Right? Well,
yeah, put a strap on it and pull it up.
Hell, you know we got the floor jack right here.
Oh, okay, forget the strap.
How's that?
Yeah,
That good?
yeah. You just go a little higher if you want to move the engine back, though. Yeah, I think that's probably enough.
Okay. Now let's see if we can. That would have been for some very bad driveline angles.
So the bolt is still about 1.5 inches forward of the slot on this side.
This blanket is just killing me over here. Oh, there we go. That was just, it was all jammed up in there and it goes. Okay, so. How am I? Oh yeah, I just gotta go back. No, it's almost home here. It's getting really close.
Well, it's resting on the bolt, so I don't
So I gotta go
just
up a little
come
bit?
like 1/8 of an inch,
Okay.
a 1/4 inch up. Just allow it to skid back. Okay, so it's not skidding.
How's that?
That's fine.
Go back.
Okay, stop right there, and you can lower it right in the slot on this side. You just give it, 1/2 inch.
Here, let me see how we're doing this.
Yeah.
Ooh, that looks like if I lowered it, it might just plop right in there. There we go. Is it in on that side? No, we're not in over here.
It's so hard to see here.
It's got to be twisted.
It needs to come twist towards me.
Yep. Look, here we go. Here we go. I got it. Just dropped it
And
in.
just come down. It's in the slot. Okay, and the little pin is in the hole.
We're good?
Yeah.
Yep. I can't tell. It looks like it's so close. See what you think on this side. I don't think that little pin is in there. I think we got to kind of hair it up just a little bit and rock it.
Yeah, why is there a gap there?
I think it's got to be. Yeah, I think we have to rotate it a little bit. Which way. Let me see if I can put a little weight up and then.
The pin looks like it's in the hole, and then the bolt looks like it's in the slot. I just don't think it's lowered all the way down.
Yeah, but the pin's going to hit that bottom mount. So I think we have to come up and the motor's got to rotate.
I mean, this pin here.
Yeah, the round one?
Yeah.
I think we got to come up a hair and just rotate the motor like this.
Okay. I mean, it's floating above the standoff. It's too high.
Oh, you know what? That's if you want to grab the AC compressor and just pull it towards you, I think that'll do it. You see the AC compressor? You grab it from the backside and you got a straight shot. See the kind of split?
Yeah.
Yeah, then you kind of pull it towards you and I think that'll drop it in. You ready?
Yeah. It looks good to me.
That look better?
Yeah.
Well, all the weight's off this, so.
It's just, I don't think that mount, the motor mount hits the standoff completely flush. It's like there's a round-headed bolt there. This guy, like what's this gap all about?
Huh. Yeah, but that one looks good. That's actually in the hole
Yeah.
there. Yeah, it's flush. If you feel it, put your finger back by the stud. It's totally flat against it. I think we're home.